From blazing house fires to icy lakes and sweltering car interiors, these 5 heart-pounding videos of police rescuing man's best friend will have you on the edge of your seat. You won't believe what one K9 tried to do from 75 feet up. Clearwater police rushed to a shopping center after reports of a Pitbull locked inside a sweltering car with the windows barely cracked. As the dog began to overheat, officers smashed a window to rescue the pup. A small, empty Tupperware container sat in the back seat, clearly not enough. Thankfully, the dog survived, but it's a reminder that some people just shouldn't have pets.
What? Ooh. Huh? You ready to come out?
Yeah, we don't have any food, do you?
No, but I got water. Hold on, I'll get water. See if I can get his leash.
Ray, come on. Come over here. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, what a good dog. You ready to come out? Are you ready to come out? Huh? Come on. Come on, puppy. Come on.
Let's make sure.
Come on. Come on. Oh, boy.
Was that water warm?
See how sweaty he is? Yeah. See how sweaty he is?
Yeah. Well, he looked all eyes was droopy when I was looking at him.
Yeah, he won't stop though when I came over. I still for a treat.
Yeah, it's a good girl. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Yeah. It's a good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl.
While conducting a high-risk felony stop on the 528 Causeway in Brevard County, Florida, Deputy Lauren Donaldson faced a heart-stopping moment when her K9 partner Zeppelin suddenly leapt over the bridge railing, unaware they were 75 feet above the water. Without hesitation, Deputy Donaldson acted on pure instinct, gripping Zeppelin's lead with all her strength, bracing against the barrier, and pulling him back from the edge of disaster. This dramatic rescue showcases the unbreakable bond between handler and K9, and the split-second decisions that saved his life. In a heart-pounding moment caught on camera, police officers didn't hesitate to dive into freezing, ice-cold water to rescue a helpless dog fighting for its life. What started as a routine call turned into a dramatic race against time, and the chilling footage will leave you breathless.
Hold on, let me make sure this is clear. All right. Yeah, we're secure. You're good. Come on, come on here. I know you're cold. You good? Come on. Keep falling. Yeah, you're good. Woo! Yeah. My dog. Mike, you all right?
A Michigan police officer is on the scene of a house fire when the homeowner revealed her dog was chained to the side of the burning home. The officer rushed to help, but it raises a serious question. Why was this poor dog chained outside in the freezing cold and snow to begin with?
You're good. You're good. You're good. Come on. Come on, bud. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. I know. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. You're good. You're good.
Dramatic body cam footage captures the heroic actions of an Arvin police officer as he races against time to save a dog chained to a fence with a mobile home fire raging just feet away. With smoke thickening and flames closing in, the officer desperately hacks at the chain with gardening shears, apologizing to the terrified pup as he works to set it free.
Oh, they change you up. A little bit, huh? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Let's get you out of here, dude. Stop fighting. Gotta get you out of here. Okay. Come on, dog. Walk it out like this, okay? Okay? Come on. Come on. Come here, boy. Sam, to the fire spreading to the grass of the neighbors, south side of him. Good, doggy. We're good, boy. Okay? We're good, okay? Let's go. You bite me, boy. Mine, we're good, doggy. Okay? Try to get you out, but get you out right now, okay, doggy? Relax. Fuck. Come on, dog. Don't bite me. Come on. Let's go. Come on, please. I'm trying to save you, boy. Come on. Come with me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go this way. Come on. This way. No. Come on. Come on, doggy. Go. Go. There. There we go. Go. There. This way. This way. This way. Go this way. Go this way. Come on. Go. Jump. Jump, doggy, go, go. Go over here. Over here. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. You gotta jump over. Come on. Come on, dude. Over here. This way, come on. Come on. Over here. Over here. Come on. Come on. Doggy, I know you're ready. Come on. Take it this way. Come on. You're gonna be hot over there. Reach hard, come on. ¿Tienes bolt cutters, señora? ¿Para cortar los bolts? ¿Algo? No. There you go, good job, boy. There's bolt cutters, bolt cutters.
No, no te
Fuck. Stay there, stay there. Stay there, stay there, stay there. No! Wait! There you go. Wait, wait, wait. Wait, wait. Wait, doggy. Wait. Fuck! I'm so sorry, dog. Come on! Yes, please, water. Thank God. Please, come on. Sorry, doggy. I'm trying. Please. I'm sorry, doggy. I'm trying. Hey, you're fine. You're fine. Relax. Relax. Shit was hot, huh? It was real hot. Here.
Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think, especially about the more questionable cases where the dogs were chained up. And if you enjoy our videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support signals to YouTube that true crime fans want more of this content, which helps us continue bringing you real police body cam footage and authentic crime stories. We truly appreciate your support. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.